Hi friends, welcome to Interactive Medicine. In this section, we are going to discuss about the autocoids. So, what I will present: the definition, classification, and functions of autocoids. It include histamine and serotonin. Let's start. The word autocoids come from Greek autos means self and akos that is relief, that is the drug. Autocoids are endogenous compounds. It plays an important role in the physiological and pathological processes. It have very short half-life and it have local action. So they are biological factors which act like local hormones, have a brief duration and act near the site of synthesis. Functions of autocoids. They take part in inflammation, allergic reactions, anaphylactic reactions, but not so much, neurotransmission, gastric acid secretion, neuroendocrine regulation. In the central nervous system, they are responsible for wakefulness, decreased appetite, regulation of drinking. Classification of autocoids. First one, decarboxylated amino acids. It include histamine, serotonin, polypeptide, angiotensin, plasmacinin, vasopressin, vasoactive intestinal polypeptide, substance P, slow reacting substance of anaphylaxis. Histamine and serotonin. Histamine is an organic nitrogenous compound involved in local immune process, act as a neurotransmitter. Receptor types H1, H2 and H3. Histamine mediates its effects by interacting with receptors. Pharmacological effects of histamine. Histamine promotes intestinal and bronchiolar smooth muscle contraction, which is an H1 receptor mediated effect. Histamine significant increase in gastric acid and gastric pepsin secretion, which is an H2 receptor mediated effect. And third one, vasodilation of arterioles and precapillary sphincters, which is an H1 and H2 receptor mediated effect. Increase the gastric acid secretion, mainly contract the smooth muscle, especially in bronchus. Histamine antagonist. First generation first generation agents include ethanolamines and ethylene diamines. Ethanolamines include carbinoxamine malate, clemastine fumarate, diphenhydramine HCl, diphenhydranate. Ethylene diamines include pyrylamine malate, triphenyllamine HCl or citrate, then PPA. Second generation agents include alkyl amines. Example is actrivastin. And second one, piperazines. Example, citrizines HCl. Third one, piperidines include astamizole, levocabastine. H1 receptor antagonist. Therapeutic uses. First one, allergic reactions, allergic rhinitis, atopic dermatitis, hay fever, urticaria. Motion sickness, vestibular disturbances, sedation and hypnotics. These agents to be used as sleep aids, that is hypnotics. Adverse effect of H1 receptor antagonist. First one, inhibition of CNS. Second one, some first generation H1 antagonists have strong antimuscarinic actions, atropine-like effects. Third one, others. Second generation overdosage may induce cardiac arrhythmias. H2 receptor antagonists. Clinical use: peptic ulcer and duodenal disease, gastric ulcer, reduce symptoms, promote healing for benign gastric ulcers. H2 receptor antagonist used for gastric esophageal reflux disorder or erosive esophagitis, hypersecretory disease like Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, acid hypersecretion caused by gastric secreting tumor, systemic mastocytosis, and multiple endocrine adenomas. Adverse effect of H2 receptor antagonist. Generally well tolerated. Most common adverse effects include diarrhea, dizziness, somnolence, headache, rash, thrombocytopenia, neutropenia, aplastic anemia. Adverse effect of cimetidine include CNS effects. It is uncommon. In elderly patients, we can see confusion states. Serotonin or 5-hydroxytryptamine 5-HT is a monoamine neurotransmitter biochemically derived from tryptophan, primarily found in gastrointestinal tract, GI tract, blood platelets, and CNS of animals, including humans. It is popularly thought to be a contributor to feelings of well-being and happiness. Let's talk about the antagonists of serotonin. First one, clozapine. Second one, risperidone. And third one, metsergide and cyproheptadine. Clozapine reduce incidence of EPS, high affinity for dopamine receptors, reduced negative symptoms of schizophrenia. Risperidone, D2 receptor blocker, reduced negative symptoms of schizophrenia, low incidence of EPS. EPS stands for epinephrine pituitary stroke, and methotrexate used for diarrhea and malabsorption in patients with carcinoid tumors. Cyproheptadine, H1 blocker, weak anticholinergic and mild CNS depressant used for skin allergies, cold urticaria, counteract the sexual side effects of SSRIs, that is, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. In this section, we only discuss about the histamine and serotonin. Further, we can discuss more autocoids in our next classes. If you like this video, please click on like button and share to your friends. Subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.